The Pka Pkb converter interactive calculator helps you convert between acid and base dissociation constants at any temperature. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate Pkb from Pka, calculate Pka from Pkb, calculate Ka from Pka, calculate Kb from Pkb, calculate Pka from K, and calculate Pkb from Kb. For this demo, I'm using calculate Pkb from Pka. Below that are 4 value fields: Pka value, Pkb value, K value, and Kb value. Finally, there's a temperature field in Celsius, which defaults to 25 degrees. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for the Pka value and keep the temperature at 25 degrees Celsius. After clicking Calculate, the results show Pka equals 10,000, Pkb equals 4,000, K equals 1,000 E10, and Kb equals 1,000 E4. The pH at half neutralization is 10,000, and the calculator notes this is a weak acid with weaker acidic character since the pKa is greater than 7, meaning the conjugate base is relatively strong. This tool streamlines your acid-base calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this technical overview. For more calculators and engineering tools, visit our library today.